Hi, this is Brother Barnes, and I want to talk about how to load an advisee in CampusKey Alliant at Northwest Mississippi Community College if you are an advisor. So, I have my ID programmed in and my password already. I'm just going to click log in and accept. I am going to click on Info Centers and then Advisor Info Center. I am going to add non-advisee. I already know who I'm looking for, me, but there's a way to figure this out. If you don't have the number already, you can just put the last name and first name, click advisee, that'll work. I'm going to go with the ID number since it is mine. I know what it is, mate. Click on this little series of lines here, this little box, and this will take you directly to degree plan. Notice that registration can be done here. Authorization can be done at this position, this drop down, and then change major is located here. These are some of the main ones we look at in Alliant for advising. Let's go to degree plan. When you get to degree plan, there are a few things to look for. Usually at the very top, there will be notes as to remedial classes possibly, and then down at the very bottom there will be ACT information possibly available. This is really crucial for placing people. If an ACT is not available, then remedial classes are usually the classes that the student begins with. This is the basic rundown of what I wanted to show you. A quick intro into student advising at Northwest Mississippi Community College using the Alliant CampusKey system. Be well.